Sorry about the wind. It's 15th of November. These guys here, or those ladies and these ladies here, are Kevin Masalis' bees. He passed away, and I was honored enough to be his mentor and became good friends with him. And I introduced him to the world of beekeeping, and he introduced me to the world of glass blowing, ironwork, blacksmithing, a whole plethora of things. I really missed first Fridays down at the studios till they decided to make them into apartments, but that's not the subject of this video. I've never really seen a video, but it's about telling of the bees. I mean, it's something that originated in Celtic mythology back in the 18th century, and we saw it all the way up till, I mean, just here the last couple of years ago when Queen Elizabeth passed. They told the bees there at, I'm assuming it was Buckingham Palace because I didn't watch it, but the belief is that the bees are a messenger between the spirit world and the living. And it, like I said, it became a prominent thing in the 18th and 19th century, so it probably backdated previous to that. But the tradition is you cover the hive in a black cloth, you get down and you tell the bees that their beekeeper has passed. And I don't have a black cloth to put over them. I've always been one, I wear festive colors to funerals because I refuse to be sad at the celebration of life. But these ladies, I mean, they're gentle. These hives have not been worked in 4 or 5 years due to his health and his inability to lift boxes because his shoulders were just about shot. But Kevin was a really good guy. I had the privilege of mentoring him for about 7 years. But ladies, Kevin has passed, and I will be your new keeper till either you pass or I pass. I've got to get them into new boxes because of the fact that he wasn't able to keep them. The boxes will not be sufficient to keep them alive over winter. I'll take the phone off the stand and take you around and show you what all I've had to do to get them here. Let's flip the camera around the other so I can see what I'm showing you. The hives are coming apart. I had to do this. As you can see, they've already chewed out part of the not newspaper, but the paper towels I put in there. And this poor box here, I've shoved Walmart bags in the cracks, taped it in just to get them home and to keep the wind off of them. They've propolized most of this side over here and that side, but you can see it's off the bottom board. See right there. See right there in the front where it's coming apart. So I'm gonna put these ladies in new boxes just exactly as they are because, like I said, they haven't been worked in 4 or 5 years, so they are definitely treatment free like I do, and they are definitely hardy bees. Thanks for watching. If you want to make a donation in Kevin's name, do it to Beads of Courage. He was really big into Beads of Courage.